Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
You made breakfast?
A little bit in here again. Oh my.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am feeling so much better today. It's been a few days since, you know, I wasn't feeling so hot. So I had a few days of rest. Finally, I'm feeling like a human being today. So I got dressed and decided to throw on some makeup. Today's video is going to be a day in the life. We've got possibly some recipes going in this video. Sydney and I are about to head out the door and go to Hobby Lobby. I have a gift card from Christmas that's burning a hole in my pocket. Dying to get out of the house. So that is what we are going to go do today. Take the drive there. Possibly go to the grocery store to get ingredients to make the spinach and artichoke dip that you guys requested to see back in my Trader Joe's video. I figured where the Super Bowl is coming up this weekend, maybe that would be an awesome recipe for any Super Bowl festivities you guys have going on. So we've got that going on, and I have it in my head that I want to make an at-home like salted cream, cold brew, cold foam situation. So possibly going to get ingredients for that. Anyway, we are about to leave, like I said, so give this video a thumbs up if you guys like day in the life vlogs like this, and for recipes included in my day in the life vlogs. If you give this video a thumbs up, it helps me a ton to know what you guys like for videos. Sydney's gonna go potty. Anyway, let's move along with this video.
I'm still tired when I wake up, like my dream's still near. Snooze bottom, my best friend now. Get me away from here. I got plans, I got things to do. Gotta do my hours, do my hours. Why is everything so damn hard?
Really cute.
Gray skies and rain cloud. I postpone
That's crazy.
everything.
Okay, picture, smile. Okay, good one. This little three-piece set is so cute. I love that style. Cute. The little side table's cute too. So I've been really wanting a potted tree, and these ones are really affordable because they're 50% off, and usually they're like this price for a normal, and I can put this in a basket because y'all know I have a basket problem. I kind of like that one with a decorative basket, maybe taller, maybe a taller one. And then they have like this one too. That one's like so cute. It's already in a basket or in a cute pot. How much is that? Yeah, it'd still be 50, whereas that one is 30. And I can just put it in a basket that I already have. I must have never been in this section of Hobby Lobby, but I am living for all the greens. I have some greenery, don't mind so much trash, for the entryway vase. And then this, I was thinking, Sydney's singing Frozen. I was thinking of putting this in, I don't know, I'm just holding on to it to see, in the vases that are on my wall in my living room. We'll see. And then this, I love, so cute. I don't really have a spot for it though. I don't know if I'll put a candle in it or you can stick it on a door. That one's cute too. So cute. Isn't you singing Frozen? Always have the absolute cutest kids' room decor stuff.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
Oh, you guys, so I sat at the grocery store in the parking lot for 15 minutes, kind of waiting for her to like get a little nap in and then maybe wake up, and then I finally gave up, and literally 2 minutes down the road she woke up again, and I was like, oh man, I should have just waited it out. I didn't want to wake her up and have her be all groggy and cranky inside, so I was like, whatever, we'll just drive home. And then she woke up like almost immediately. Anyway, I bought stuff to make the spinach and artichoke dip, but I forgot chips. So that's why I was gonna go to this grocery store. And
You forgot chips,
yeah,
Mama?
I forgot chips for the dip, but whatever, you guys will get the
forgot
gist.
chips, Mama? You forgot
I forgot chips. And then I was also going to buy like other like meat, because I only buy my meat at Hannaford. Anyway, so whatever, we didn't go to Hannaford. I ended up going to Market Basket after Hobby Lobby, and Sydney had a little nap in the car, and now we're home. So I am going to bring the stuff inside and then set up the spinach and artichoke dip. She got a balloon. Are you happy?
No. 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 No.
You're not happy?
No.
So I should just take this balloon then.
No.
So you're happy?
I am.
You're pretty cute.
I'm not.
Oh, the age of no. Alright, so we are inside. Actually, I just wanted to show you. So at Hobby Lobby, I got... What did I get at Hobby Lobby? I haven't taken my bag out yet, but I did get these like fake, you know, flower things. I have to take the purple tags off, but I always do this. I always don't get enough. I should have gotten like 2 more, but I think what I'll do is tie an elastic around them so that they at least stand up like this. But I thought those were really cute. They were 50% off, so $2 per like sprig. That will look good with it tied, I think. Tied in a bunch, but yep. Thought that was cute. They have all kinds of different colors and types. I ended up getting, I'm gonna make right now, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make. I got some sugar-free French vanilla coffee syrup. I am going to attempt to make the cold brew, cold foam cold brew. It does call for caramel syrup, but they didn't have any when I went right to grab some, so I just grabbed vanilla, but it will just be essentially the same thing. This is what I have for ingredients to make the salted cream cold foam, cold brew, whatever. I just ended up buying this cold brew unsweetened from the store. I usually make my own cold brew. It's way, way cheaper to make my own, but of course I don't have any on hand, and I just wanted to try to make this today. So that's what I got for cold brew coffee. And then I guess you add a little bit of water to it, pour that over ice. And then as far as the cold foam goes, milk, a little bit of vanilla syrup, and some sea salt, and the magic bullet. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is fill my cup with ice. I was looking everywhere, you guys, for my mason jar cup. No idea what I did with it, but that would be really cute if you put it in a mason jar cup. Otherwise, it's fine like this. I'm gonna do a little bit, well, a lot of it, of cold brew coffee. And then I don't know why, I mean maybe to dull it down, but they do add a little bit of cold water, and I've seen them do this to mine. And I'm going to add some sugar-free vanilla syrup. Stir that around. And that is what I'm going to do as far as my coffee goes. And now onto the cold foam. Now, I have no idea how much milk to use, so I'll just use, I don't know, probably like that amount, maybe. And I'm going to add a little bit of that same French vanilla syrup for flavoring and sweetness, just a tiny bit. And sea salt. And then we shall see if this does anything. All right, you guys, it didn't really foam up. I'm wondering if it would foam up better in the blender. There's like a little bit of foam, but ooh, you know what? I have my milk frother. Let me. I've heard that non-fat milk, like fat-free skim milk, foams the best, so we shall see. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, you guys, I am impressed with the way that looks right now. All right, so I'm gonna get my first taste reaction on video. I used a lot of foam, like I shouldn't have used all of it, but why not? It's not as, I don't know, it actually looks pretty good here.
I wanted the foam. I wanted, Mama.
Oh my word.
Can I have it?
That is really good. The only thing I would change is that cold brew. I like my own homemade cold. I look so yellow orange because of that. Like, the only thing I would change is cold brew because I like my own cold brew that I make at home better. That foam is delicious.
I want some of that. I want some of that, Mama. I want some of that.
Oh yeah. With caramel syrup in there, well, it tastes like super vanilla because I use vanilla syrup. Honey, it's coffee. I'll get you a special drink, okay? You want some juice? But with caramel syrup in there, it would taste exactly like the Starbucks one with the salt, and I like adding the vanilla. You don't have to add vanilla to the cream, but I like mine to have a little bit of sweetness. You can also add a little bit of fresh grind up some fresh salt to put on there. Oh my word, I'm hooked. I'm so proud of myself. It came out so good. So I would definitely suggest using either like maybe fat-free milk, and that would froth up in like a magic bullet or blender or something. But if you have this milk frother that can do hot and cold, that obviously is working a lot better. So we just had dinner right after the coffee. I didn't drink the whole coffee because it's like 5:30 at night now. And I am going to make the crock-pot spinach and artichoke dip right now, and it doesn't take long to like melt together and warm up, probably like an hour or so. So yeah, I'm gonna make the spinach dip. I'm gonna try to write the recipe down in the description box as well, and that way, you know, because I'm horrible at writing recipes, but I will try to put this one in the description box because it's so good. I start out with 1 stick of unsalted butter and then 1 block of cream cheese. I'm using full fat, but you can also use low fat. And then 16 ounces of sour cream. They do come in containers, but I just had this one on hand. And then about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And then about 1 to 1.5 cups of shredded Parmesan. And I use a 3-cheese blend. It's Asiago, Parmesan, and Romano. And then I also add some grated Parmesan and some artichoke hearts. I drain them and slice them up pretty thin. And then for the spinach, I use one of the blocks of chopped spinach. Like they come in a little like 10-ounce box. And then I squeeze it with a paper towel to get all of the moisture out and then put the whole thing in there. And then I season it with some pepper and cook it on high or low for about 1 hour to 2 hours, just until the cheeses melt, and watch it because it happens quickly, and then shut it off when it's ready. Just a casual night in our house. That's the one that she had like a couple years ago. She loves this one though. Okay. Anyway, I ended up tying these in a little elastic, and I like the way that looks. I don't think I'm gonna keep this here because, I don't know, the succulent and that just don't really, I don't know if they go or not. Don't mind Cindy's pancake. Oh, and I've had these for like, I don't know, 5 months and still haven't taken the tag off. Anyway, I like a little greenery. Well, I don't know, I'm still figuring out what I'm doing on this situation of an entryway. Maybe, I don't even know. Do I like those? Maybe they need to go down a little bit more so that there's not so much green at the bottom, but whatever, that's that. And then I just came over here and I put my fake succulent in there and it fits perfectly. Like it's just resting in there. So I finally found some greenery. I gotta take the cuddle weather sign down and I'm gonna put another, it used to be another one of those there. And then take the joy sign off. Apparently I forgot to do that when I was taking Christmas decorations off. Anyway, I'm excited that I found something to go in those.
Let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is
Do you want to be tucked in? Or do you want the covers on you right now? No. Okay, midnight then, I love you. Midnight. So I am left with the spinach and artichoke dip and nothing to dip in it, and all I smell is the cheeses and the amazingness that is that spinach dip, and I cannot eat it. I mean, I think it'd be pretty disgusting if you just ate it with without anything. But yeah, tomorrow I'm on a mission. It's gonna be so good tomorrow. Like leftovers is gonna be so good. But anyway, yeah, so Cindy's in bed. I'm editing this vlog. I've got dishes to do and heading to bed after that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you try any of my recipes, always tag me on Instagram so that I can see what you guys make and like. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in, what's today? Yeah, and Wednesday. Okay, so I'll talk to you on Friday's video. Bye, guys.